Hello class 1, welcome to your value education class children. Today we will start with a new chapter, that is chapter 7 of your book children. Okay, we have completed, as you all know, that this is our inspiration for life book, that is value education, and we have completed chapter 6 of this book, right? And the question answer is not yet sent to you. I'll send it the question answer to you. Okay, so write down the question answer and learn the question answer and the back exercises etc in the CW copy properly. So let us begin with the chapter, that is chapter 7, behavior towards elder. So this is chapter 7, see it properly, behavior towards your elders. Okay, so behavior plays a very important role in our life, isn't it? Behavior, you can say it is the image. It is our image. Behavior is the image. It is your image. Everyone, if you behave nicely, everyone will say, that girl, she is very well behaved. That boy, she is very well behaved. So, you have to be very polite. And especially in this chapter, we will learn about how should you behave with your elders. Okay, your uncle, your aunt, your teacher, your parents, whoever, your brother and sister who are elder to you. Okay, let us begin. And the value that we'll inculcate through this chapter is respect. If you behave properly with someone, this means you are respecting that person. Right. Now let us read the story. Respect refers to the behavior with your elders. So what do you mean by respect? Respect means your behavior towards your elders. It refers to your behavior towards your elders. Let me read. When you obey your elders, you respect them. Since you are a child, almost everybody is elder to you. So it becomes very important for children to respect their elders. When you respect someone, you will talk with him properly and you will be polite to him. By giving respect, you'll get love and blessings. Now, as this chapter is meant for you, so here we expect that you all are very small, right? You are very young. So everyone is elder to you, isn't it? So as you are a very child, so almost everybody is elder to you. So when you obey them, when you obey your elder, this means you respect them, means you have to listen to your elder. Suppose your grandfather said, child, please don't touch this, don't touch the that switchboard. Okay, so you should obey him. If you obey him and respect him, so if you obey him, then only it means you are respecting that person. If you listen to him, then this means you are respecting your grandfather, and you not touch that switchboard because he is your well-wisher. He will always talk about your good, right? It is not good to touch a switchboard because you are very young, you are a child, any accident may happen, right? So when you obey, when you listen to your elder, that means respecting you are respecting your elder. And since you are a child, almost everyone is elder to you. It becomes very important for children to respect their elders, because when you respect someone, how do I know that, how do your parents know that you are respecting the elders? So when you respect someone, you will talk to him properly, you are polite to him, you will be very polite, you will not rude to him. Okay, you will not back answer them. So by giving respect, when you give respect, the elderly person, they will bless you and they will love you, right? Isn't it? So, when you are obedient to your elders, you respect them. When you are obedient means when you are obeying to your parents, your elders, that means that you are respecting them. If your mother asks you to lay the table, obey her and do the work politely. If your father asks you to help in the garden, be with him. If your grandfather is ill, give him medicine. If you are not obedient and polite towards person, it means that you do not respect them. Okay, let us see. This girl is helping her mother in laying down the table. Okay, So it is their meal time, so she is helping her mother to lay down the table. And see, now here she's helping her father in the garden. Here grandfather is ill, she is helping her with the medicine. So all this she is doing, this means she is very obedient, right? Now see, when you are obedient to your elders, it means that you are respecting them. If your mother asks you to lay the table before the meal, okay, so please help me to lay the table, please make the bed for me today, for okay, so this way you can help them. So you are doing this according to your mother's wish, then okay, you are respecting your mother. So obey her by doing the work politely, and you should do the work politely also. Okay, if your father is asking you to help him in the garden, you should be with him. If your grandfather is ill or your grandmother is ill, then it is your duty to give him medicine on the right time. Maybe your mother is busy in some other work, your father has gone to office, you are there, so you can help him out with the medicine, right? So if you are not obedient and polite towards a person, then it means that you do not respect them. Okay, so this is the story. This is chapter 7. So what do you learn? What have you learned from this chapter? It shows that it teaches us that always respect your elders and obey them and be polite to them. So we have learned that we should give respect to our parents, our elders, and how can we respect them? By obeying them. Okay? So the question answer and all we'll do in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.